See the page number 48, children. So we are completed up to 47 now. This number name. Next page number 48. See, figure 3 shows the comparison between the Indian and the international system of numeration. Use the table to answer the following question. So here Indian system is given and international system is given. So in Indian system 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. These are the places in Indian system. Next international system millions, 100,000, 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So what is the difference between Indian system and international system? Up to 10,000 both are same. Up to 10,000 their place values are both are same. But in lakhs, in Indian system lakhs is there no. In international what is international system? What is that place value? 100,000. Okay. So next in Indian system 10 lakhs place. In international system it is millions. Okay, ma'am. So the question is here, the last place in the Indian system is equivalent to dash place in the international system. So the last place in the Indian system is equal to dash place in the international system. What is the place? Lakhs equal to 100,000. So what is that answer? 100,000. All of you write in the blank 100,000. 100,000. First blank you should write 100,000. So 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 lakh equal to 100,000. Next, second question. The dash place in the Indian system is the millions place in international system. The dash place in the Indian system is the millions place in international system. So millions place in international system. What is the place in Indian system is equivalent to? Yes, 10 lakhs. What is that place? 10 lakhs. Second one is 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. Okay. 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. Write in the second dash 10 lakhs. Next 3.9 activity C. Fill in the missing numbers and the number name in the table. So here Indian system number is given. What is the number name? 45,67,212. And in the international system, what is the number name? 4,567,212. Already first one they are given. Second one you should do. So what is the number given? In Indian system, what is that number? 60 lakh 35,700. Okay. So you should write the number name in Indian system. What is the number name? 60 lakhs 35,700. Okay, 60 lakh 35,700. Now you should write the number in international system. How you should write international system, children? You should write the same number as it is, 60, 35, 700. Now you should keep the commas in international system. How you should keep the commas in international system? For every 3 digits, you should keep the comma from right side to left side. So right side. 1, 10, 100, keep the comma. 1, 2, 3, keep the comma. Now read the number in international system. 6,35,700. Now write the number name. 6,35,700. 100. Okay, ma? 6,35,700. What is the spelling of million? M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Okay, million spelling is M-I-L-L-I-O-N, million. Okay, ma? Come on, write. Next is the page number 49. Here not given Indian system. There is no number and number name also, but they are given international system number is given. So what is the number given? 9,481,341 given. So here international system given. Can you write in Indian system? Yes, we can write. What is that number you should write? Okay, now keep the commas in Indian system, children. So where you have to keep the commas? First you should keep the from right side to left side you should keep first 3 digits after 1, 2, 3. After that you should keep 2 digits comma 1, 2, 1, 2. Now read this number 94,81,341. Can you write the number name, children? Yes. Next, this one also you can write number name. How can you read this number? 9,481,341. Can you write number name? Okay, you can do homework. Can you do next one also? In the next one, what is given? Indian system given. Indian system is given. There is no international system, but you should write in international system. Same number you should write here. 4352006. Now you should keep the commas in international system. In international system, how you have to keep the commas? For every 3 digits, you should keep the comma from right side to left side. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now read this number 4,352,006. Okay. Can you write the number name, children? So these two are homeworks. Can you do? Next, the relationship between the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration helps us convert a number from one system to another. So what is the relationship between the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration? Helps us convert a number from one system to the other. Okay. Next, see this activity 3.10. Solve the board problem. Manish is a businessman. He received an email from a businessman from another country. So Manish is a businessman. He received an email from a businessman from another country. The email has numbers given in the international system. Already I told international system are used in foreign countries. Okay, other countries. But in our Indian system, we are using Indian system. Okay. So as shown in figure 4, help Manish convert the numbers into the Indian system. So they are given in international system numbers. You should convert into Indian system. How to convert, children? First one is 3,105,000 given. Okay, you should convert into Indian system. How to convert in Indian system? Same number you should write. Write the same number as it is 3,105,000. Now you should keep the commas in Indian system. In Indian system, how you should keep the commas, children? First 3 digits you should keep the comma. Next, afterwards you should keep 2 digits after comma from right side to left side. So right side to left side. So 1, 2, 3. Put the comma. 1, 2. Put the comma. Now read this number. 31 lakh 5,000. 31 lakh 5,000. Okay, children? Can you convert like this? Second number, see. 3,564,120. Now convert into Indian system. 3564120. Okay. Now keep the commas in Indian system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 35 lakhs, 64,120. Can you do, children, like that? Remaining three numbers you can do homework. Okay, ma? Did you understand how to convert? Come on, write. Look at the price of each painting in the given boxes. Number the paintings in ascending of the order of their prices. Here some paintings are given. How many paintings are given? 5 paintings are given. Okay, now you should observe the prices and write the boxes. They are given boxes, no? You should write the numbers from ascending order. Okay, ascending order means smallest price to greatest price. Okay, so which one is the smallest price in these 5 paintings? C1, that is horse painting. So you should write in that box 1. Okay, next one, ship. Ship is there, no? So that is the second one. The picture is the second one. Next, fish picture, that is 3. Next, waterfalls, 4. Next, what is the next one? Yes, mother and child painting is there now. That is the 5th one. So what is the first painting is horse painting. Second one is ship painting. Third one is fish painting. Fourth one is waterfalls. Fifth one is mother and child painting. Okay. Now here some questions are given. See here. Give a title for your favorite painting. Here some paintings are given. 5 paintings. You have to give a title for which is your favorite painting. You should write the title. Did you know the title? You should write the name, that painting name. Okay. Next, the most expensive painting is. Which one is the most expensive painting? In that 5 paintings, that one you should write. The least expensive painting, which is the least expensive, which is the least cost, that one you should write. How did you compare the prices? How did you compare the prices, students? By comparing the digits of place values. By comparing the digits of place values, we should compare. Okay, na? So that page number 50, you should write your own. That is the homework for you. So today, what is the homework, children? Page number 49, number names and Indian system, and next page number 50, write that blank. That is the homework for you. Okay, children? This is the today's class. Any doubts, ma? In the next class, we will continue, ma. Goodbye.